Today, Tom is saying something. Shall we see and hear him saying? Right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. How are you all? Hope you're all good, right? If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And I thank all the subscribers and the viewers for all your support. Thank you so much. And this video is on Donald Duck. It's a solar powered toy that operates without battery. It keeps dancing all the day long till the sun sets down. So do watch this video. I'll meet you in the end. Enjoy. Did you watch the video? How is the duck? Did it bring any smile on your face? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Flying Skies One. And please do subscribe and support. Keep smiling.